Welcome to Illustrator. It's a fairly similar looking program to the other InDesign and to Photoshop, except this program is more about drawing lines and the ability to edit those lines and shapes and then fill them with color, rather than the InDesign's use as a page layout and printing sort of device. So when you come to Illustrator, you want to start a new page again, so you can go File, New. This will bring you to this screen in which recent items might appear, but if you want to do a new one, you can come over here and you can type in, we're going to make an A4 page, so we might type in A4 logo, design. You can name that however you like. The main thing is over here though that we need to change it to millimeters, and we can also see landscape and portrait, and it's nicely done here because we've used A4 before. We've got 297 by 210, which is the landscape measurements for A4. So then we go click Create, and we'll appear back on the main screen here, and you can see that all of the tabs up the top here hold different files. So there's the file that we've just made. We'll start by taking a look at the text tool. You click over here on the text button, and you click and you drag a rectangle in which your text will appear. And so we might type in there graphical design, and then we can play around with that once we're in there. If we use the selection tool at the top here and pick our area, you can see that it puts some grips on the boxes, and we can stretch the boxes out, and then you can change the size of things there. If we double click on the actual text itself or highlight the text itself, and we come up to this button at the top here called character, we can actually change there the font if we want to. Let's use a fairly standard one. We can change the size here, and you can also work with the color, etc., and the style and spacing up here, so it's quite powerful. The thing I want to show you about text though is after you've highlighted the text, if you come down here to the bottom corner, you can change between the outline of the text and the inside of the text, and that will bring up this button here. So at the moment we're on the inside of the text, and if we make that 0 or nothing, none, then we come to you'll notice the text disappears. If you come to the outside of the text now and make it black, then what you effectively do is change the look of your text to be something that might cut out on the laser cutter, and this is a very powerful tool for engraving and or cutting on the laser cutter.